Hi there, this is Miss Kim. I bet you're wondering why you should be taking my general science course. Well, if you have an older sibling who's been taking biology or chemistry or conceptual physics and you're like, that sounds amazing, but you're not quite ready, this general science course is going to be perfect for you. We cover everything from planets to physics, a little bit of information about everything, and it's fun, it's exciting, and it gives you a good overview of what you might be looking at for your high school your high school science classes. For example, one of our first books we read is about the planets. It goes into all the information about the planets, some of the history about them, different theories and stories related to the planets. Another book we're reading is called Stuff Matters, about all the different stuff in the world. This is actually one of the favorite books that the kids have read because it talks about paper and why paper is important and plastics, just all the little things in our world that we don't even pay a whole lot of attention to until we don't have them. And then we read a book called The Scientists through the whole year. It's a grand overview of the science and scientists that we study through science. So I'll look forward to seeing you in my next class.